So let's start with the previous video itself. In the previous video, I have described some of the rules related with how to design your own heuristic evaluations. In this video, I will also describe some other rules which helps to design your own heuristics. We have bench rules. First one, we have strive for consistency. It means, and it can be done by utilizing familiar icons, colors, some menu hierarchy or call to actions, and user flows when designing similar situation and sequence of actions. And further, the designer should also take care of standardizing the way information is conveyed to users so that users are able to apply knowledge from one click to another click. Next rule, we have enable frequent users to use shortcuts. As with the increased use comes into the demand, there must be some quicker methods of completing tasks. As we have already studied, to copy and paste the things, both Windows, Mac, Linux operating system provides you the copying and pasting options. Next rule is offer informative feedback. What does it mean? Actually, whenever user is working on your system, the user should know where they are and what is going on at all the times. For every action, there should be appropriate human readable feedback within the reasonable amount of time. Next rule, which is design dialogue to yield closure, means it simply suggests don't keep your users guessing. The user working on your system must be aware of their actions or indicate them what their action has done so far. For example, whenever user is purchasing something, then user would or maybe appreciate with a thank you message, or you can also send them a proof of purchase receipt when they have completed their task. Next is offer simple error handling. Designer must take care of designing the system as foolproof as possible, but at the same time, no one likes to be told that they were wrong. And this is especially for users, they never want to hear or listen that they were wrong. So system should be designed to be as foolproof as possible and also unavoidable error dealing. Also ensure users are provided with simple and step-by-step instructions to solve the problems as soon as possible. Next we have permit easy reversal of actions. It simply means user can obviously sometimes have to reverse their actions. These reversals should be permitted at various points, whether it occurs after a single step or a single data entry or after a complete sequence of actions. For example, let's suppose during a purchase, user selected a product. Then at this stage, he can go back and may select another product. Next step is to select its specification, its size measurement. Again, user may come back to step 1 itself. At step 3, user has to choose their address, their delivery address. At step 4, the user has to choose their payment mode. In between all these steps, user can move backward to any step from any other step. For example, he may come back to the last step to first step itself, or may come back to any step to first step itself. Next, we have support internal locus of control. It actually means allow your users to be the initiators of actions. It simply means give users the sense they are in full control of events occurring in the digital space. They are capable of undoing the things, redoing the things, earn their trust as much as you can. So you design the system to behave like the user wants. And last, we have reduced short-term memory. Like in the previous lecture, there is one rule, recognize and recall the things. Similar to that, Bench explained to reduce the short-term memory load. Means, again, let's take the example of answering the short answer question or a multiple choice question. The user must be preferable to answer multiple choice questions. Users are able to recall the things instead of remembering and recognizing the things. These 8 tools are even interchangeable and similar to previous rules I have described so far. So we can design our own heuristic evaluations by using any of these approach or mixing any combination of these two approaches, but our end goal is to design a heuristic evaluation which is more usable, more flexible, and more tested. So this is all about how to design your own heuristics. In the next lectures, I will discuss site visits with their benefits and limits, website surveys, how to do surveys, what are the benefits of surveys. I hope you are enjoying these videos, and if you have any doubt or any query, you can ask me on the comment sections. Thank you. Thank you so much.